Matic Sense Tip of the Day. Why Surf Excel Matic Liquid is better than ordinary detergent powders.
Today I want to tell you why I chose Surf Excel Matic Liquid laundry detergent over ordinary powder detergents. There's a misconception that only powder detergents can remove tough stains. But not only Surf Excel Matic Liquids remove the toughest stains, but it does so faster. How does it do that, you ask? Well, because Surf Excel Matic Liquid dissolves so much better than ordinary detergent powders. It can even get to the nooks and crannies of your clothes, fighting off those toughest stains so much better than ordinary detergent powders, even in your washing machine. So you can save your time and energy since you don't have to do all the hard scrubbing.
Want to improve your Matic Sense? Catch the next video to learn about the ease of using Surf Excel Matic Liquid.